Meaning of gavotte.
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 Gavotte. A gavotte is a lively French dance that originated in the 16th century. It is characterized by its quick tempo and upbeat, cheerful rhythms. The dance often features intricate footwork and elegant arm movements, and is typically performed in pairs. In modern times, the gavotte has been adapted for use in classical music, particularly in Baroque-era compositions. Additionally, the gavotte has influenced other dance styles, such as the minuet and bourrée. Overall, the gavotte remains an important part of French cultural heritage and continues to be enjoyed by people around the world.